Welcome to my YouTube channel Passion and Learning at Anil Tadmari. This episode is on 5 years workplace management part 1. What is 5 years? 5 years is a workplace management technique developed by Japanese for organizing the work area. It is a way to involve everyone in the ownership of their workplace. It helps in creating an efficient and effective workplace. What is the need for 5 years? 5S is a technique to create cleaner work area, safer work environment, better organization, and less wasted time. Means better time management. It's an efficient work process and practice and more available space because of implementation of the 5S. Now let us see which are the 5S. First one is Siri or sorting, separating the needed from the not needed. Second one is C-turn or simplifying, a place for everything in its place, clean and ready to use. Third is CISO, sweeping or shining, systematic cleaning for inspection. Fourth is Siketsu or standardizing, developing standard methods for achieving the consistency. The next S is Sitsuke or sustaining. It is important to hold on to the gains, whatever we have achieved in the first 4S, that is sustaining. Now, in addition to 5 years, though we call it 5 years, there's one more important S that is to be added and that is to be kept in mind and practiced is safety. This is very, very important in whatever we do, whatever actions we do, whatever the work we do. It needs to be done in a very safe manner. The environment needs to be safe to work. Now, let us see the first is sorting. Here the activity involves separating what is needed from what is not needed. This is the first stage of implementing 5S. Eliminate the not needed items and carry out an initial workplace cleaning. Establish the criteria for handling of items. For example, it can be aging, validity, expiry dates, and so on. Identify the items that are not needed. Move the items that are not needed to a hold area. This is typically known as a red tag area. Means we are segregating and keeping it in a different area. Then prevent accumulation of unwanted items. See, in one place, in one activity, we are doing the cleaning and segregating, but we should also prevent accumulation of the unwanted items going forward. Second is simplifying. A place for everything in its place, clean and ready to use. Arrange workplace for safety and efficiency. Identify various items, equipment and utilities. Arrange all necessary items so that they can be easily available when needed. This is very important. When an item is needed, if it is available in time, means that is well kept, well preserved. Determine a location for each item. Outline the location and zones. Ensure first in first out, known as FIFO, means the material that is coming in first to be consumed first. Then document the workplace layout. Now let us see third is sweeping or cleaning. Perform daily cleaning and inspection to understand the work condition. See why we are cleaning. We are cleaning to inspect. Cleaning to inspect means Once you clean, you will come to know, are there any defects? Are there any cracks in a particular part? Is there any wear out happening slowly? So by cleaning means we are doing actually the inspection. Prepare a checklist means identify points to check for performance. Define the acceptance criteria. Determine the acceptance levels. Develop the visual indicators. Visual indicators and visual displays are more appealing and they can be understood easily. Identify equipment and process that needs to be checked. Then carry out the routine checks, routine cleaning and inspection. Note down what are the observations after the inspection. Keep the workplace area clean and pleasing to work. Now let us see the fourth is standardizing. Develop common methods for consistency. Standardize the workplace, standardize the layout, standardize the way we arrange and keep the things. What will happen? Make abnormal conditions noticeable. If something is wrong, immediately it will be noticeable. If something is missing, it will be noticeable. Standardize the best work practices in the work area. Prepare documented checks with acceptance levels. Document the standard methods across similar work areas. See, in a workplace, there may be similar work areas across different zones or different shops or different areas. Document the standard methods to do it, to do them. Prepare new standard method wherever applicable. If in a particular workplace or work for a particular task, standard method is not available, develop a standard method. Now let us see the fifth S. Fifth S is sustaining. Whatever improvements, gains we have achieved in the first four S, they need to be sustained. Holding on to the gains and improving further. Maintain the gains from first four S activities and constantly strive to improve. Determine 5S level of achievement. Perform routine checks and inspections. Analyze the results of the inspection. Is whatever you have documented by way of inspection, analyze them, take corrective actions, go on doing the continual improvement. Then measure progress and plan for